Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. You can borrow my pen. You return it. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. He went to bed early. He was tired. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. She studies hard. She wants to succeed. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We must hurry. We will miss the train. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. He ran fast. He missed the bus. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. She sings, dances beautifully. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. He wanted to buy the car. He had no money. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. I stayed at home. It was raining. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. We can watch a movie, go for a walk. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. I will wait here. You return. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. She tried hard. She failed. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. They came early. They could get good seats. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. He will succeed. He keeps trying. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. I did not buy it. I did not like it. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. He did not study. He failed the exam. Option B is the correct answer.